Hello, my name is John Gilley. I'm the Director of Utility Services here at the campus.
Yeah, and I'm John Holliday, Energy Engineer here at the campus.
I'll tell you a little bit about the ESCO project, how it got started. Our Vice President, John Moores, approached us in 2019 and suggested we take a look at our energy conservation project. He's done several different campuses where he's worked, and they've benefited the campus very well, so that's how we got started. ESCO is an abbreviation for Energy Savings Contract. It's actually an Energy Savings Performance Contract. It's also called a Guaranteed Performance Contract. Our got started in 2019. We were looking for ways to conserve energy and reduce our carbon footprint. So we got with the state, submitted an RFQ for vendors to apply. These would be ESCO contract type vendors. We had 7 apply. We formed a selection committee. We selected 3 of the 7 to do an audit. And we did the audit, had that finished in 2020. So we audited every building on campus that wasn't newly renovated. So around 118 buildings. Well, everyone plays a little bit of a role in it, but primarily it's the utility services department. Which would be myself, John Holliday, and our VP, John Moores. Once we identify some energy conservation measures, like lighting, we wanted to go ahead and change out all of our campus lighting to LED lighting. Water conservation, conserve water, so we got in some low flow devices in all of our buildings, shower heads, aerators, flush valves, things like that, pedal valves. Building envelope, we got into putting in some window film to reduce solar radiant heat in some of the buildings. We put in some spray foam in some of the buildings above the ceilings, reduce the air infiltration, better seal up the buildings, so better heat and cool the building, and it would also reduce humidity in some more in the buildings. And the controls portion of it's a big part of it, upgrading all of our control systems for all the mechanical systems for the buildings. So we've got better control over heating and cooling and even lighting. And mechanical systems, not to forget that, we put in some new heating hot water boilers, some new hot water heaters. The boilers are the gas condensing type, which means they're about 95–96% efficient. Boiler that's non-condensing is about 85% efficient. We're saving a lot of energy. We decentralized a good part of our steam system in doing this too. So we're not providing steam to the campus like we did at one time. We were providing steam to 12 buildings, and now providing steam to 4 buildings. So those buildings that came off, those 8, are now providing heating hot water and domestic hot water through boilers. And heating hot water is used for heating the building, and primarily used for dehumidification control. It's being made right here in the Central Energy Plant. We put in a new 1,500-ton chiller. We're rebuilding our economizers on our boilers. We'll pick up 5% efficiency on our boilers by doing that. Gaining quite a bit off this new chiller. Cost per kilowatt per ton is a lot less with the new chiller than was the old one, so we're conserving a lot of energy. If you look at Randolph Hall, we're putting in a heating hot water boiler over there. Stern Student Center, putting in a heating hot water boiler there, 2 domestic hot water boilers. Guidance Education Center, we're putting in a heating hot water boiler. Silcox, we changed out the old fire tube boilers with the gas condensing type boilers. Silcox BE Center. The way this works is we'll be conserving the amount of energy, enough energy to reduce our carbon footprint by 11,260 metric tons equivalent CO2. So it's about 30% reduction in our emissions. We'll be saving about $1.8 million a year on energy costs. The big change you'll see is it's really much more reliable, like we're talking about the heating hot water boilers versus the steam. The old steam system's underground, about 52 years old, so there's a lot of repairs on the piping, frequent repairs, so we'll be more reliable hot water system to the boilers, to the buildings. Cooling, we've got better control on cooling. We've got some new chillers going in, different air handling units. So the atmosphere will be controlled a lot better. Climate, heating and cooling. Yeah, the overall project's about, the ESCO project's about 85–90% complete now, and we expect to wrap it up by July 1st, 2023.